create positive bank account, and that is not a normal bank account. Create positive emotional bank account. And yes, there are 6 major deposits. So what are those 6 major deposits? We'll be talking about it. So let's go ahead and learn about create positive emotional bank account. And yes, we'll talk about 6 major deposits. We all know about bank account. Yes, we all have our bank account, financial bank account. We make deposits into it and build up a reserve from which we can make withdrawals whenever we need, right? So you have your bank account, I have my bank account, and in every bank account we deposit and withdraw. ओके हम लोग बैंक अकाउंट में कुछ डिपॉजिट करते हैं और हम विड्रॉ भी करते हैं. नाउ माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू एवरीवन, ओके, हमें डिपॉजिट में ज्यादा मजा आता है कि हमें विड्रॉवल में ज्यादा मजा आता है? Okay, so what happens is when you feel more better, when deposits happen you become happy, or when withdrawal happens then you become happy? Okay, let's ask Manisha ji. Manisha ji, what do you think? When deposits happens you feel too good, or when withdrawal?
In deposits, I happy very good, sir.
So Manisha ji, while depositing or while money is credited in the account, she feels more better. I think Rajashri जब withdrawal करती है उनको ज्यादा मजा आता है. Okay, महुआ कुंडू also जब withdraw करती है, अरे वे withdraw करने, अगर deposit ही नहीं होगा तो withdraw कहाँ से होगा? Also think about it. What is more important, deposit or withdrawal? राइट, डिपॉजिट इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट. डिपॉजिट नहीं होगा तो विड्रॉ कहां से करोगे आप लोग? So this is all about financial bank account. Like financial bank account, we have an awesome bank account and we call it emotional bank account. An emotional bank account is a symbol that describes the amount of trust that has been built up in a relationship. It's a wonderful thing, guys. Is an emotional bank account is a symbol that describes the amount of trust that has been built up in a relationship. Guys, whenever you deal with any person, there is a relationship created. जब भी आप किसी भी इंसान से बात करते हो, चाहे वो अनजान क्यों ना हो, there is a relationship created. Even right now, you all are listening me, even there is a relationship between you and me. Maybe a relationship of a teacher and student, maybe a relationship between a friend and friend, maybe a relationship between brother and sister, sister or brother, maybe a relationship of husband and wife, or maybe father and son or father and daughter. For any relationship, there is a emotional bank account. For more, I know it's a very sensitive thing, so please try to understand. Right now, suppose let's talk about my and your relationship. So there is a relationship of suppose a teacher and student. In this relationship also, trust is very important, right? For any relationship, trust is very important. I am a teacher, but if you don't trust me, you will not learn anything. Even when you go to doctor, there is a trust between you and the doctor. So trust in all the relationships are very, very important. So emotional bank account means, in Hindi we say, आपके दिल और दिमाग में मेरे बारे में कितने कितने ट्रस्ट जमा है. Please listen. In your mind or in your heart, how much trust and respect you have for me. मेरे लिए आपके दिमाग के अंदर कितने ट्रस्ट हैं. सेम आपके लिए मेरे दिमाग में या मेरे दिल में कितने ट्रस्ट या कितने रेस्पेक्ट या कितना प्यार जमा है. So aapke, in your mind and in your heart, I have one trust account. Yes, in your mind, in your heart, I have my trust account. And in my mind and in my heart, I have your trust account. If when you do something good, I feel good about you. So that trust account that I have, it gets deposits. जब आप कुछ अच्छा करते हो तो मेरे अंदर जो आपका अकाउंट है, ट्रस्ट वाला अकाउंट, वो डिपॉजिट होता है. जब मैं कुछ अच्छा करता हूं आपके लिए, when I do something good for you, so I deposit some more trust in my account in your mind or in your heart. Heart तो रहता नहीं है, mind ही है. तो अब से मैं mind ही बोलूंगा, because everything is controlled by the mind. So guys, this is called emotional account, emotional bank account. How much trust you have for me in your mind, and how much I have your trust in my mind. So when I will do something good, trust will be more. When I will do something bad, trust will go less. वैसे ही होता है withdraw and deposit. So when trust is deposited, it is good for the relationship or bad for the relationship? Suman Shivas.
Sir, good. Always good.
Yeah, so when trust is deposited, it is good. When trust is withdrawn, it is bad. So this is called emotional bank account. And it is said, more the deposit there in emotional bank account, the more better relationship you will have. Be it any relationship, koi bhi relationship ho. If deposits are more, then the relationship will be more strong. Okay? Suppose you don't like anyone. Suppose आपके लाइफ में कोई ऐसा इंसान है जिसको आप बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं करते हो. The chances are very high that the trust account you have for that person, it all withdraws every time. ये हमेशा withdraw हो रहा है. Trust is withdrawn. Trust is withdrawn. कुछ ना कुछ तो reason होगा trust के withdraw होने का. Maybe somebody lied to you. किसी ने आपसे झूठ बोला होगा. That can be one of the reason. Think about it. Okay. How you can make more deposits and how you can do more withdrawal. थोड़ा दिमाग लगाइए. We'll talk about it. Let's go ahead. So guys, it is very important that to check your emotional bank account on a regular basis if you really want to make your relationship more strong. It is the feeling of safeness you have with another human being. The more positive emotional bank account you will have, you will feel more safe with that person. आपको उसके साथ काफी safe feel होगा. अगर आप किसी के साथ बहुत safe feel करते हो, इसका मतलब है कि you have a wonderful deposits of trust in your mind for that person. And this is very much important. If I make deposits into an emotional bank account with you through courtesy, kindness, honesty, keeping my commitments, I build up a reserve. Please understand what I mean to say. If I deposit courtesy, अगर मैं आपसे अच्छे से बात करूं, if I treat you so well, if I treat you with so much kind, if I treat you with honesty, if I give you some commitment and I fulfill that commitment, then I build up a reserve. I will deposit some more trust in your mind for me. आप मुझे और ज़्यादा believe करोगे. The more you trust me, it means I have a better reserve of all the trust in your mind. So guys, emotional bank account means what you feel about me, what I feel about you. But it's more about, I'm talking about the account here. So I have account for everyone. Suppose right now I can see Tanushri, I can see Sharmila, I can see Suman, I can see Chitra, I can see Shivani, I can see Preeti, I can see Nilanjana, I can see Nishu, I can see Shahana. So suppose if you come to me and you ask, sir, how is Poonam Taneja? Then what I will tell about Poonam Taneja, it all depends how much reserve of trust I have about that person. मैं पूनम के बारे में क्या बोलूंगा, ये सब डिपेंड करता है कि मेरे दिमाग में पूनम ने क्या डिपॉजिट्स किया है. अगर डिपॉजिट्स किया है तो मैं पॉजिटिव बोलूंगा, अगर विड्रॉ किया है तो मैं नेगेटिव बोलूंगा. So guys, whenever you treat somebody well, whenever you deal very well with others, when you talk to others in a wonderful way, you are giving deposits in that particular account. Are you all understanding? Because this is very important, very deep, and it's really, it's very important. We don't think about it. Sometimes we shout on our children. Sometimes we shout on the other person. When you are shouting on other person, you are doing the withdrawal. हमेशा नहीं होता है, but the chances of withdrawal will be more. Whenever you are loving someone, you are giving lot of care, you are nurturing someone, you are depositing trust. और जितना ट्रस्ट होगा उतना कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा होगा. The more you trust others, the better communication will be there. यही देखोगे, जिससे आप सबसे अच्छा प्यार करते हो उसके साथ आपकी कम्युनिकेशन अच्छी होती है. देखो झगड़ा, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट झगड़ा नहीं होता है, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट, बट when you trust somebody more, the communication will be more effective. For example, okay, suppose before you join me, suppose before you know about Subhash Karthik, ठीक है, suppose you didn't know about Subhash Karthik, आपको सुभाष कार्तिक के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था, okay, and before joining this class, you saw me somewhere in the street, मैं रास्ते में, I'm having one whiskey bottle and I'm having one glass and I'm pouring, and in public I'm drinking alcohol, and you see me and you think, what kind of person he is, so bad, because you don't know Subhash Karthik. So you will see at first sight what will happen, you will think negative about me. तो अभी तक अकाउंट बनना ही नहीं है, ऑलरेडी माइनस में. Okay, and now you have come to know about ad. Okay, so Facebook में आपने सुभाष कार्तिक का ad देखा. I saw this person somewhere. I've seen him doing something really bad. कुछ कर रहा था ये बंदा, पता नहीं, दिमाग में आएगा, फिर आपको याद आएगा, या. It is the same person. I saw him. He was drinking alcohol in the street. He is not a good person. इसको 1 रुपया भी नहीं देंगे. Rather, I will comment, never, don't go anyone. उल्टा आप comment करोगे negatively. Please don't apply for this 5 days, 7 days workshop. Imagine कितना खतरनाक होता है ये इमोशनल बैंक अकाउंट. When you have a negative bank account for anybody, you can, you know, what should I say, you will not be able to see that person, you will hate that person. Okay, अब अगर अब ऐसा होता है, सपोज अगर कहीं रास्ते में आप मुझे देख लिए अभी, when you know Subhash Karthik and lot of reserve is there, okay, trust का reserve भरा हुआ है, and you see me drinking again, you know, in the road street, you know, आप क्या सोचेंगे, बेचारा क्या हो गया, इतना अच्छा इंसान था, what happened, कौन छोड़ दिया इसको, सब कुछ। तो देखो, अब आप क्या बोलोगे, इट ऑल डिपेंड्स कि हाउ मच रिजर्व आई हैव इनसाइड यू. So imagine you all are thinking on the basis of reserve, but actually nobody knows why I'm doing that. Actually, nobody knows that what is the exact problem. You all are, deciding on the basis of emotional account that you have. So guys, emotional bank account is very, very powerful, and we should always do something so that it should enhance the reserve, the deposits. Because jitna kam deposits hoga, people will hate you, they will not talk to you, they will not look at you. So that's the reason it is very important. So whenever you talk to anyone, whenever you behave, ensure that you're not doing anything bad. Your trust towards me becomes higher, and I can call upon that trust many times if I need to. बहुत अच्छा लाइन है, अगर आप इसको अच्छे से समझोगे. Your trust towards me becomes higher. आप मुझे ज्यादा बिलीव करोगे, and I can call upon that trust. मैं उस ट्रस्ट के बेसिस में आपको मैं जो भी बोलूंगा शायद आप उसे करोगे. Chances are high. Suppose you trust me, and suppose I go to okay, I suppose I go to Dipshika. Okay, I go to Dipshika and I tell Dipshika, right now I'm going through a very bad financial issues. So can you lend me, can you give me at least 5,000 or 10,000? So chances are more कि अगर उसके पास होगा तो she will give it to me. I hope so. I hope so. It all depends how much reserve I have and how much actually he has that, she has that money or not. वो तो एक important है ही. But if she has money, then she will decide on the basis of the emotional bank account she has. फिर पूछ लेते हैं वो देगी कि नहीं. Okay. Yeah, Dipshika, if I need 10,000 rupees, will you give it to me?
Yes, sir. 100%, sir.
Yeah, Dipshika.
This thing happened in my friend also. I love her so much. He have heart surgery. I will give 25,000 without returning anything.
Very good,
We
very good.
love emotional attachment.
But again, again, I'm telling you, you help that person not because you love him, rather more you have more trust. You have a wonderful reserve in your mind. Maybe suppose ऐसा हो गया कि आपने मुझे दिया, ठीक है, I take 10,000 from Dipshika and the reserve is full, deposits are full, and I told Dipshika that I will give you back on 1st August. तो 1st August जैसे ही आएगा, दीपशिका के दिमाग में घंटी बजेगा, टंग डंग डंग, it's time to ask for money. But हाँ, Dipshika will not ask maybe directly, but Dipshika सोचेगी, why sir is not calling me? Sir has to return 10,000 rupees, no? So, but she will not call, she will not call. So after 5 days, she will think, oh my God, it's 5th August. She's not giving. Again, it is 10th August. Sir has forgotten or what? Now imagine what will happen. Emotional bank account का withdraw start हो जाएगा. Now the withdrawal will start. 1 महीना हो जाएगा, 2 महीना हो जाएगा, and she is not getting the money back. And now after 2 months, maybe she will call me, sir. Sir, how are you, sir? Everything is fine. Okay, sir, you remember, sir, because I need some money. So, sir, can you manage? Then I will say, sorry, Dipshika, I have some problem. Can I give you after 1 month? So, थोड़ा जो बचा रहेगा ना ट्रस्ट, उसके बेसिस में वो और 1 महीना मुझे दे देगी. But after 1 month, again, means after 3 months to be more exact, again she will call me, sir, you told me, no, sir, that you will give back my money. Then again, I'll say, oh, okay, okay. Deepshika, please give me 1 week time. Uske baad, Deepshika will wait for 1 week and she will not get my call. Then what will happen? And then she will call me and I will not pick up her call now. And when I will not pick up her call, she will withdraw all the money and maybe she will come to my home or she will call the police or she will have a bad perception about me, that what kind of person he is. So, you know, this is the impact of the reserve of trust that we have. If you do more withdrawal, the relationship will be broken. If you do more deposits, मैंने बोला और मैंने 1 तारीख के पहले ही उसको 10,000 रुपए दे दिए, इससे रिजर्व बढ़ेगा कि घटेगा? और बढ़ेगा. The trust will be more high. So guys, this is the thing, you know, if you really want to improve your relationship, you have to work on the commitment you do with that person. If you have committed that I will do this, आपको लगता है ठीक है यार, नहीं किया होता है कभी कभी. No. अगर आपने कमिटमेंट किया है, इफ यू हैव कमिटेड एंड यू हैव नॉट डन दैट, मे बी सामने वाले ने कुछ बोला नहीं है आपको, बट यू हैव डन सम विथड्रॉवल. And if you are doing withdrawal, then it means it is affecting your relationship. चाहे वो कोई भी क्यों ना हो. So guys, it is very important that अगर reserve है, if you have trust, you can call upon that trust. आप उसका help ले सकते हो. But again, if you do something what you are not supposed to do, then this trust level will decrease. The emotional bank account, I can even make mistakes, and that trust level, that emotional reserve will compensate for it. Please listen, this is so important. I can even make mistakes, and that trust level, you know, that emotional reserve will compensate for it. If I do any mistake, then that emotional bank account will compensate for it. धीरे धीरे करके the whole emotional bank account will be zero. So it is very important that we need to understand what is this emotional bank account. So guys, when the trust account is high, communication is easy, instant and effective. When trust account is high, communication is easy, instant and effective. So that surely means that if you want to be a very good communicator, you have to respect this emotional bank account. You have to think about, see, I know grammar is important, fluency is important, but emotional bank account is also very important. शायद we already work on it, हम लोग already इस पे काम करते हैं, शायद हमें ये पता नहीं था कि इसको emotional bank account कहते हैं. जैसे बोलते हैं भरोसा होना, वो भरोसा होता कहाँ पे? वो भरोसा होता है उस emotional bank account में. That account is so important. Okay, so guys, today I'll tell you the 6 major emotional deposits. आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि ऐसे 6 इमोशनल डिपॉजिट्स हैं जो हमें हेल्प करते हैं कि मैं अपना ट्रस्ट को बढ़ा सकूं. There are 6 major emotional deposits which will help you to have more positive emotion, more positive trust in the mind of other people for you. लोग आपको ज्यादा पसंद करेंगे, लोग आपको ज्यादा ट्रस्ट करेंगे, लोग आपको सुनेंगे. People will listen you, people will trust you, and if you need any help, those people will help you. Okay, so let's go ahead and learn these 6 major emotional deposits. The first major emotional deposits is the one, understanding the individuals. Understanding the individuals. This is very important. You know, there are many people, they feel, I understand my daughter, I understand my son, I understand many people, but many times it really doesn't happen. I'm giving you a very good example. One day, please listen, this is very important. One day, there was a daughter was telling to her mom, Mom, today I'll not go to school. I'll not go to school. I'll not go to school. I don't want to go to school. The mom shouted, why will you not go to school? You have to go to school. Imagine. The daughter said, I'll not go to school. And mother responded, I feel before responding, if mother would have gone to her daughter and asked, Beta, why you don't want to go to school? Why? What is the reason? I think that is called understanding. Understanding the reason. Before you react, the more you understand, it will create more reserve. For example, you know, when we listen, जब हम लोग सुनते हैं, please listen, when we listen, जब हम लोग सुनते हैं, दो रीजन से सुनते हैं. There are two reasons why we listen. There are two reasons. When we listen, even आप लोग भी जो सुन रहे हो ना, दो ही रीजन होगा जिसलिए आप लोग सुन रहे हो. The first reason is understand. The first reason you want to understand. That is the one reason why you all are listening me. And the second reason is to reply. To reply. This is important. You have to understand. Don't listen someone because you have to reply. You listen somebody to understand. This is important. Don't listen because you have to reply somebody. So many times we say ना, suppose कभी-कभी हम लोग family में भी करते हैं, हाँ हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो, सुन रहे हैं, बोलो फिर मैं बताऊंगा. You tell, then I will tell you. It means what? I'm listening to reply. I'm listening to reply. हाँ हाँ tell now sir, आप बताओ फिर मैं अपना example बताऊंगी कि because they want to prove that सामने वाला गलत है. So guys, it is very important that when you listen to understand. चाहे वो आपका दुश्मन ही क्यों ना हो. That is important. But some people, they listen because they have to reply. And one more thing, when you listen, it is very important you to nod the head. And it is very natural. It is very natural, nodding the head. Because when you nod the head, the other people, they get the signal that I am listening. I am understanding. Maybe you don't want to nod. आप nod करना नहीं चाहते हो. But when you nod, it gives the signal to the other person that yes, Subhash is listening. So guys, this is wonderful point. If you become a listener, इसीलिए बोलते हैं listener होना चाहिए. To be a listener is very important because the more you listen, you deposit. What you deposit? Trust. Next time that person will talk more. और इंसान उसी इंसान से ज्यादा बात करता है जिसको वो ज्यादा भरोसा करता है. You also see, आप जिस इंसान से बात करने में ज्यादा पसंद करते हो, वो इंसान आपको सुनता है, इसीलिए आप उससे और बोलना चाहते हो. So guys, this is very important that आप भी वैसे ही करो. You also do that. Try to listen. Don't listen because आपको कुछ बोलना है. No. You listen because you have to understand somebody else. And if you do this, you will see, you will create more trust in that person's mind. Okay, so let's go ahead for the second deposit that we are going to learn right now. And the second deposit is attending to the little things. attending to the little things is a very important part, and बहुत हम लोग शायद इस पे बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रगल करते हैं. We struggle in this point. Many people, even I also sometimes I fail it. Attending to the little things. हम लोग बड़ी बड़ी चीजों को ज्यादा अहमियत देते हैं, छोटी छोटी चीजों को इग्नोर करते हैं. Here the thing is attending to the little things. For example, suppose I am taking this session. Suppose, please listen. Suppose I'm taking this session and suddenly my daughter comes in. My daughter comes in and मैंने उससे बोला कि no, please go, I'm taking class. I'm taking class. But she said, no, Papa, you have to listen. And then I say, हाँ, बोलो फिर, क्या बात है, बोलो, tell me, what you want to say? Then suppose उसने कुछ ऐसा बोला, suppose my daughter tells me that something, Papa, today I have seen a wonderful dream. In that dream, I saw Avengers. I felt so nice. I will feel I'm taking so important class and you are talking about Avengers right now. But my dear friend, maybe the talk what my daughter has said, it is a little thing for me, but it is not little for that person. ये छोटी बात मेरे लिए हो सकती है, लेकिन हो सकता है उसके लिए छोटी बात ना हो. That is the reason, guys. Even it is a small thing, we have to put very important attention. When we are listening, and even maybe it is a small thing, but we should not ignore that. Suppose my wife tells that I'm having pain here, so हम कभी कभी उसको उतना importance देते हैं, हम लोग बोलते हैं ठीक हो जाएगा, टेंशन मत लो. But maybe if you go to her, if I go to her and if I tell what happens, so बहुत समय even मैं भी नहीं कर पाता हूँ, I also become so busy. But these small things are very important, because the more you give importance for even little things, I think that will create more reserve of your trust. इसलिए कभी कभी सामने वाला बोल भी देता है ना, शादी के पहले तुम छोटी सी चीज को भी इम्पोर्टेंस देते थे, शादी के बाद तो maybe ये हम लोग हंस रहे हैं अभी, but this talk is really very serious thing. We get into our career, every time we think about making money and everything, but due to making money, we are not basically putting more importance to the little things. So I'm talking about little things. I'm not talking about big thing. I'm talking about little things we are not doing. और ये little things एक दिन बड़ा होते होते it creates a big problem. So guys, this is very important. Attending to the little things. Okay, let's go for the number 3. Keeping commitments. I think I have already told you this. Don't commit, but if you are committing, you are telling that person that I'm going to do that. वहां तक ठीक है. But if you don't do that, you are withdrawing the trust. वो थोड़ा थोड़ा करके withdraw होगा. आपको लगेगा कि ठीक है, सर little things, but ये little करते करते एक दिन पूरा खाली हो जाएगा रिजर्व. And then आप बोलोगे यार तुम तो change हो गए. You nowadays don't talk. So अब वो तो होगा because reserve ही नहीं है. So guys, this is very important. You have to think about the reserve. Small things we are withdrawing every day. So think about it. कभी कभी होता है ना शादी, मतलब I'm just giving example. Suppose पहले जब गुस्सा होता था, लोग दूर से ही मतलब गुस्सा दिखाते थे. अभी जैसे ही गुस्सा होता है, कभी कभी इंसान सामने आ जाते हैं, लगता है मार ही देंगे एकदम. सो ये क्यों होता है? बिकॉज विड्रॉवल होते रहता है, लोग हाथापाई भी करने लगते हैं कभी कभी. दे स्टार्ट बिकमिंग फिजिकल ऑल्सो. Why they are becoming physical? Because there is no reserve. कोई reserve ही नहीं है. There's no respect, there's no love for the other person. So guys, this emotional bank account, these are very important. Until now, we have talked about very important part. The first was understanding the individual. The next was attending to the little things. The third is keeping commitments. That's very, very important thing. Boss, एक बार जो commitment कर दिया तो मैं किसी के भी नहीं सुनता. ऐसा होना चाहिए. So if I told somebody that I will give you money back by first, वो first से पहले ही होना चाहिए, first भी नहीं होना चाहिए. And वो इंसान मुझे कॉल ना करे, I will give him or her a call that I will pay you right now. और अगर by chance मैंने arrange नहीं कर पाया, if I'm not able to arrange that, I will say sorry, please, I'm very sorry, dear. But I told you that I will return you by first, but I failed to do that. I'm really very sorry. Please give me one week more. I'll try my level best. ये call पहले आपसे जाना चाहिए. पहले तो बात है ये होना ही नहीं चाहिए. But if it happens, the call should go from your end. कि भाई, I'm not able to pay right now. Guys, this is a small thing, and we also know this. ऐसा नहीं है कि you don't know this, you all know this, but how it is affecting our life, that I'm talking about. So this is hampering the emotional account. Number 4, clarifying expectation. This is a damn dangerous expectation. ये देखो राइट हैंड साइड में जो है उसने एक्सपेक्ट किया 7, और बगल वाला जो दिख रहा है चश्मा पहन के, मैं नहीं हूँ वो, बट आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग दैट इज वो क्या कर रहा है, वो बोला कि नहीं 7 नहीं 3, मतलब सामने वाला the other person is expecting so many things, but I am not able to give the back. So guys, even expectation also, if expectation is killed, if expectation is not fulfilled, you do the withdrawal. My question is, should we expect or not? Anybody wants to say something? Should we do expectation? If I ask Ritu Chakraborty, yeah, Ritu Chakraborty, what do you think? Expectation is good or we should not expect?
We should expect, but within a range. We don't expect more.
Okay, we don't expect more. Okay, that's wonderful. Yeah, I really want to know. Rajoshri is telling we should not expect. Okay, because this is a very important part. I really want to know more. Yeah, Chitra Dugar, can you tell me expectation is important or not?
We should not expect from others. This is the main reason that we make ourselves sad.
Yes. Okay. So yes, even Nilanjana, what do you think? Expectation should be made or should not be made?
Expectation should be made, sir, but not from everyone.
Okay. No, we make expectation from our own family members most. We say expectation is not good, but we make expectations. You cannot say कि आप expect बिल्कुल नहीं करते किसी से. You expect something from somebody, at least somebody who is very close. You cannot just say that I don't expect. Yeah, some more inputs I want. Yeah, Momita Desharkar, what do you think? Expectation is important or not?
Expectation might be realistic, but expectation is very common. We can't, if we have any relationship, it is common expectation, but it must be realistic.
It must be realistic. Okay, maybe it is realistic for you, but maybe it is not realistic for me. Maybe father is expecting something from son. Maybe it is realistic for father. Maybe it is not realistic for the son. Yeah, Nobonita, what do you think?
Sir, no expectation. We can't expect anything from anyone because expectation hurt us.
Okay, so you want to say you don't expect from your daughter?
Mm, Sometimes I expect from
Yes or
something.
no? Don't say sometimes. You
Yes, yes,
expect.
yes.
So imagine we expect from our own people, and we are telling here we don't expect. The problem is not making expectation. Please try to understand. Yes, Poonam, tell me.
Yes, sir. Here I want to say that I am not having any expectation from anybody, not from my husband, not from my kids, from anybody, because it's going to hurt yourself in maybe in future. I'm taking care of them. I am doing all my responsibilities, but without any expectation. So because it's going to hurt you only. So we don't should have any expectation from anybody. Whether my house is like dirty or clutter everywhere, I don't say anyone to keep it clean or anything else. I do it myself. I never expect that that person will do it for me or for because it is their duty.
Okay,
So I
okay,
do
okay.
it myself.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. So, see, I just want to tell you that, expectation is very dangerous, but here the point is different. Here the point is clarifying the expectation. The problem is not that I am expecting something from you. The problem is I am expecting from you and you don't know about that. This is the problem. Father is expecting something from daughter, but daughter doesn't know about this. Father is expecting something from son, but son doesn't know about this. The problem is not expectation. The problem is I am not clarifying. I am not clarifying my expectation with my people. Clarifying matlab, if I'm expecting something from Poonam, I must tell Poonam, I expect this from you. आप करोगे तो अच्छा लगेगा, आप नहीं करोगे तो ठीक है, हम इसको लेके ज्यादा सोचने वाले हैं नहीं, बट मैं चाहूंगा कि आप इसको करो. I am clarifying it. I will tell my son, देखो बेटा, I want कि तुम ये करो. अब तुम नहीं करोगे तो वो अलग बात है, बट मैं नहीं चाहता कि कोई कंफ्यूजन में आप तुम रहो. सो मैं चाहता हूं कि तुम ये करोगे तो हमें अच्छा लगेगा. See, this is a kind of a clarifying your expectation so that सामने वाले को समझ में आ जाए कि what my parents want, what my husband wants. अब दे नहीं पाऊंगा, दे नहीं पाऊंगी, वो अलग बात है, but at least मुझे पता तो है कि what they want. This is very important because expectation जब fulfill होता है, बहुत deposits होता है, बट एक्सपेक्टेशन ज्यादातर ब्रेक ही होता है, उसमें बहुत विड्रॉल होता है एंड इट किल्स द रिलेशनशिप. सो द बेस्ट इज व्हेन यू एक्सपेक्ट. आई जस्ट वांट टू गिव वन वेरी गुड एग्जांपल. मेरे लाइफ का एग्जांपल है और ये मैंने अपने लाइफ में फेस किया है. आई होप you are liking the session. Yep. Okay, so because I don't want to make you feel bored, but it is something which is related to my own life. Before marriage I was very possessive about my girlfriend. Okay, बहुत possessive था, and she told me, and I was in Kolkata, and she was in almost Kolkata भी बोल सकते, थोड़ा सा दूर में था. So basically we loved each other so much, and suddenly she said, Subhash, I will go to Meerut. I will go to Meerut for my higher studies. तब मुझे लगा मेरठ क्यों भाई, कोलकाता में क्यों नहीं? I can feel it because I don't want to, I will miss her. So I said, I didn't say, मैं अपने आप में बोला था, सुभाष, उसने why she is not applying for Kolkata? I'm talking to myself only. Why she is not telling कि मेरे को कोलकाता में रह के ही पढ़ना है? Why she is talking about going to other cities and studies? मतलब वो अदर सिटी में जाके वो रह लेगी मेरे को बिना बोल के, या मेरे से दूर होके ना, उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. I used to think like that. Okay, so she is very okay. ठीक है, I am also okay. I am not okay. I am not okay. I am telling myself that I am okay, but I was not okay. तो मैंने कुछ बोला भी नहीं सामने वाले को. Okay, and फिर वो चली भी गई. और जब चली गई तब मैंने फोन उठाया. चली गई. You didn't understand my feelings. How could you go? उसने बोला तुमने तो कुछ बोला ही नहीं मेरे को. So why should I tell every time? Why will you go and go to other cities when you know the good colleges are also here in Kolkata? She was telling, अरे भाई तुमको बोलना चाहिए था. मतलब why I should? So this is the problem. Sometimes we expect, but we never clarify that what I expect. It was my mistake, and that is the reason I'm giving this example. This was my mistake. एक तो मैं बोला नहीं, और जब चली गई तब मैं बोल रहा हूं. तब क्यों बोल रहा हूं भाई? अगर बोलना ही था तो पहले क्यों नहीं बोला? Because so many people, they never say this. बोलते हैं नहीं, वो लोग खुद समझे. मैं क्यों बताऊं कि उसको क्या करना है उसको, लेकिन दिमाग में है कि बस तू एक बार खाली करके देख, I'll kill you, but they never say that, and that's the problem, and that kills the relationship. I don't know ये आप लोगों के साथ कभी होता है कि नहीं, but I'm telling you, these are normal. कुछ लोग इससे अच्छा ना, बहुत लोग, मैं क्या होता है ना, मेरा प्रॉब्लम है कि मैं अपने गुस्से को या अपने दुख को ना ज्यादा रिवील नहीं करता हूँ. सो अंदर ही अंदर ना आई फील. कुछ लोग हैं जो शेयर कर देते हैं, वो फिर भी ठीक है. आई विल से if you are shouting and if you are revealing, that is still good, but andar if you are feeling very bad, it is very bad for you, your health, even for the relationship. So guys, this is very important that we should clarify. Expectation karo, but clarify. Boss, I expect that you do it from here, but मैं किसी को जबरदस्ती नहीं कर सकता. But yes, I will clarify what I'm thinking. Number 5, this is very much important. Showing personal integrity. Showing personal integrity. Many of you already know what is integrity. Integrity means doing what is right even when no one is there. मतलब कोई नहीं है फिर भी मैं सही चीज को करूं. Nobody is watching me, but still I will do what is right. Because जितना आप right काम करोगे, आपके जो आमने सामने जो लोग हैं, they will always have a better thought about you कि ये इंसान कभी गलत काम कर ही नहीं सकता. Personal integrity. I will do what is right. For example, many times I give this example, suppose you are driving and you come across a red light. आप ट्रैफिक सिग्नल में खड़े हो, देयर इज अ रेड लाइट, और रात के 2 बजे हैं. इट इज नाइट 2 AM. आपको लग रहा है कि मैं बेकार में खड़ा हुआ हूं. नोबडी इज देयर, देयर इज नो कैमरा, देयर इज नथिंग. व्हाई आई एम वेटिंग? अब बगल से एक बाइक वाला आया, देखा आपको. व्हाई आर यू वेटिंग डियर? गो, नोबडी इज देयर. एंड वो करके चला गया. वो और आपको टेंशन दे दिया. माय गॉड, आई एम वेटिंग. एम आई अ डोंकी? डू आई मतलब व्हाई आई एम वेटिंग हियर? सो सम पीपल, they talk like that, they think like that, but yes, you are waiting because you know that when it is red, I should stop. वो दुनिया वाले मेरे पे हंसे जो भी करे, I know whenever I do something, I do right. Because आप जितना right सोचोगे ना, the other people will always आपसे खुश होंगे नहीं होंगे, लेकिन एक चीज हमेशा बोलेंगे कि ये इंसान हमेशा सही चीज करता है, तो इस पे हम ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं. I can trust this person because he always does what is right. इससे क्या होगा, आपका भरोसा, लोग आपको ज्यादा ट्रस्ट करेंगे and the emotional bank account will be more higher. So guys, this is very, very important that you show your integrity. Even if you are in the organization, अगर आप organization में काम करते हो and you do it with integrity, you are punctual, आप हमेशा punctual होते हो, you come on time, you do your job, you never gossip. तो क्या होगा, आपका जो बॉस होगा ना, your boss will always have a very, very positive thought, positive impression about you. और ये positive impression क्या है? That is the bank account only. That is an emotional bank account. So even when you are having integrity, you deposit positive emotion. Okay, so guys, we have already done 5 and now we are going for the last deposits, and the last deposit is apologizing sincerely when you make a withdrawal. This is very important. Apologizing sincerely when you make a withdrawal. I believe this point is very clear to you. So guys, it talks about we are people, we are human being, गलती हो ही सकती है, और गलती से कभी कभी आप ऐसा काम कर दोगे कि आप विड्रॉ कर दोगे. शायद सामने वाला आपको ट्रस्ट करना कम कर दे, शायद कुछ गलती से ऐसा हुआ हो. The best part is you can again deposit. How? Go to that person and ask for forgiveness. Apologize. माफी मांगे. माफी मांगना बहुत बड़ी चीज होती है. Because when you say sorry, when you say that I'm extremely sorry, ये गलती हो गई है, I did that, but okay, fine. अब तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते, अब बस रियलाइज तो हुआ, एटलीस्ट आई एम एडमिटिंग इट दैट आई हैव डन समथिंग रॉन्ग. सो जो आपने विड्रॉ किया है ना, वो धीरे धीरे करके डिपॉजिट्स होता रहेगा. इतना जल्दी नहीं होगा, बिकॉज विड्रॉ हैपेंस वेरी फास्ट, बट डिपॉजिट्स हैपन वेरी स्लोली. ट्रस्ट बोलते हैं ना, दिल को जीतने में टाइम लगता है, लेकिन दिल से आपका मतलब आपके किसी के दिमाग में आपके लिए नेगेटिव इंप्रेशन जाना, दैट हैपेंस वेरी फास्ट, बट उस नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट करना इट्स अ बिग टास्क. बट अगेन इट इज नॉट इम्पॉसिबल, इट इज पॉसिबल. द मोर यू डू डिपॉजिट्स, अगेन व्हाट आर दोस डिपॉजिट्स? गलती हो तो सॉरी बोलो, चाहे वो आपसे छोटा हो या बड़ा हो, बिकॉज इट डिपॉजिट्स. Not only that, perform integrity. कभी भी कहीं पे भी हो, घर पे हो, बाहर हो, perform integrity, do what is right. Clarifying your expectation. Expectation कर रहे हो, ठीक है, but clarify करो, सामने वाले को पता होना चाहिए. Number 3, keeping commitments. जो भी commitment कर रहे हैं, या तो मत करो, and if you are doing it, perform that. Attending to the little things. I know you people are responsible, you do big things, but don't ignore little things, because that is very, very much important. And the first that we started, understanding the individual, because when you listen, don't listen because you have to reply, listen because you have to understand. If you do this, guys, you will have better relationship with anyone. किसी के साथ भी आपका रिलेशनशिप बेटर होगा. ओके, सो